Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have another project share, of course, to share with you guys. And I actually used one of my own tutorials, so I could just link that tutorial for you guys down below in case you guys want to make a folio style album like this as well. But this time, I made it in a baby theme. Before I made it in a Christmas theme for my Scrappy Christmas Crafts series with Let's Get Scrappy Tiffany. So I did a Christmas project then and I was like, I want to make a baby one. And so we got a baby one and I think it turned out so cute, guys. And I love it. This collection worked out so nicely with this, and I have made an album with this before, but I actually like it so much in here, and you guys are going to see exactly what I made and what I'm talking about, and I'll just walk you through it all. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I used this collection called Baby Boy from Echo Park, and this is a 24 sheet 6x6 paper pad. Well guys, I think I used maybe 13 sheets because I think the cut aparts, or no, I think I used maybe, I don't even know. I feel like I used 13, maybe I used 12. In my Christmas album, I only used 12 sheets, but let me double check here, hold on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yeah. So I used 13 in this one, but I do have some scrappies that I can still use in the next album, for example. Like these could be pockets, so can this, and maybe even this one. I would need like another little strip, but I still have some options. And I think I might even also have some of the 12 by 12 papers as well. And I definitely know I have another baby boy collection also, so that's okay. But guys, for half of this paper pad, basically, I created this beautiful folio. So again, this is part of my Scrappy Christmas Craft series, and I'm gonna have that tutorial that I made linked down below for you guys. You guys are gonna have to check it out. This is so cute. So I got some seam binding here. I love having seam binding closures, and I get my seam binding from my Scrap Cabin shop. I will have her Etsy shop linked down below. I have this beautiful cut apart on the front that says Welcome Baby. I've got some flowers that are not from this collection, just some flowers from my stash. This one is like a kind of like a metallic-y one, and there's some other ones with some enamel dots on the side. I did some ripping techniques back here with 4 different kind of patterns of paper. I didn't have to do it that way. I only needed really 2, but I felt like the other star background that I was going to go with originally and this like plaid piece, they just weren't cutting it for me. So then I added some other strips like scraps that I had, which was the blue and the green. And I think that turned out so stinking cute. So you guys just see, I just paper pieced 4 different kind of layers. I did stitching all around. It's like a beigey color. And I layered it with like a silver, it's like silver foil from Michael's, but it's not really like foiled. It's more like very toned down, like a silver metallic-y, but not like shiny metallic-y. And this I just had in my baby stash, and I have another one in my baby girl stash as well. But these are stickers from Hobby Lobby. They came also with like an elephant and some other kind of animals, but I really liked this giraffe here. And I used fabric from Hobby Lobby on my spine. I'm gonna have everything linked down below for you guys. All the things I used, the collection. I'll try to find the stickers. I'll try to find my Scrap Cabin shop for the seam binding. Literally everything. The chipboard I used, like everything is gonna be linked in the description box down below. So that is my spine. And then this is the back side, just paper piece with 2 papers. And there's my handmade with love logo. So when you open this up, here's what it looks like. It's so cute. So on this side here, I have a 3x4 waterfall, and it says Dream Big Little One. You can see I used another little scrappy down here, and that's because this is 6.5 from here to here. It's 6.5 inches, and obviously paper is only 6 inches. So I needed something down here, and I just made it into a little pocket. I used solid cardstock on the waterfall, and then in the pocket I just have a couple more cut aparts. So Welcome Baby Boy and I Love You to the Moon and Back. And the recipient could just like move them all over. If they want to, they could even just attach this right here and then stick a photo back there as in the pocket. Like, isn't that super cute too? That's adorable. So I don't have them here. Like, yes, you could journal on them. I don't intend for that. Like, that's not why I put them there. I put them there so you could decorate throughout. Like, that looks, I think that looks so cute. And then you just tuck a photo behind it. Even this one, because the width is not larger than the waterfall, though I do like this one better in that spot right there, but that's what I intended those for. Or even if you want to add this onto the photo mat, because I have an insert right here. So if you wanted to add that here or here, maybe you want to add like a tuck in a photo there, like whatever it is, like I don't know, but there's plenty of options. So those are in there for that reason. But you could also just tuck in a photo in there. So those just come back down. That's my waterfall. Here it just says play, dream, read and grow, and baby boy. And here I have a belly band. Inside the belly band I have like this tag shaped insert and a like journal card, but they're all photo like mat things, so you could add photos to the back. This says melt my heart with the two little giraffes, and I think the giraffes like throughout are so cute. Like here I have here. And then, I mean, that's is that a giraffe? Yeah, that's a giraffe, right? Like a baby giraffe? Maybe, maybe not. Something. It's something, guys. The ears look like a giraffe. So yeah, it's just got white on the back side. Same thing with the whale. It's just in a tag shape. I rounded the corners on the bottom and I added a white photo mat. And obviously, if you want to take out some of these tags, you can, and you could just put in more photos as your little tuck spot there. I mean, you could still add more like photos more underneath that as well, because this is not like super tight. Then in this, you saw the insert, which is the same kind of paper as my whale tag there. So it's just the whale paper with a white insert on the back, nice and sturdy, very sturdy. So they're great to either add photos or journal on, and you could add more photos inside that pocket as well. Then when you turn this to the back, you have this like beautiful like animal paper here. I've got another cut apart and another like tag looking thing. So this one actually opens up and it says welcome little one. This one I was thinking you could do some journaling here, and then you could add a photo on top, and then you could add a photo to the back, or do journaling on the back and add two photos, however the recipient wants to do it. And then this is just a tag, and I added this little cut apart from the collection that says hey little man, and that's the back side. And then this opens up as well, and that just says happy birthday. And you could add another photo here. You could add a photo underneath here, like stuck on there, but you could also add in more photos in the pocket as well. And this tag and this one kind of just hold the that flap kind of closed. Then I have another 3x4 waterfall here, and it says twinkle twinkle little star. They open up, they match the front with the patterned, not the pattern paper, the solid paper. And then you've got two more cut aparts here. It says welcome little one, and then twinkle twinkle little star, the song, how I wonder what you are. This could go here, it could go here. I like that one better there. But again, you could add any of these wherever you want. You could add it here if you want. You could make that a little tuck spot with teeny little photos. Like whatever it is, I would probably just add in my photos up here though, because I like seeing these papers instead of like a bunch of like colors coming at you with photos. So if you were to add this here and use it as a little tuck spot, I'd probably go maybe like up to there where you cannot see it. And then you could tuck some photos behind it. So however like the recipient wants to do it, but there's definitely plenty of options, and you can still fit a good amount of photos in here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You could tuck another one in there, 8. Each one of these, this is at least 2 in here, so 9, 10, you could add a photo to that, 11 to the back there, 12, you could add more in there. Then you have 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then one in the pocket, 20. On the back here and here, 21, 22, and on the photo mat, I would say at least 25 photos. I mean, yes, it depends on like how many photos, because if you print them smaller, obviously you could fit more. Like I counted 1 photo on here and some journaling, but if you just wanted to do a couple of photos and a little bit of journaling, like you could do that as well. So I mean, there's options. So I think that's such a cute little baby album, and I can't wait to make more of the style. Like I shared it with you guys and I was like, I gotta make more. I gotta make more of these. Like, I loved it too when I made it. So I hope you guys like it as much as I do. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. And I will see you guys in my next crafty video. Don't forget to check out all the links to everything down below. Everything I used to even just make this. The paper I used, the seam binding, and of course the tutorial. So definitely check it out, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.